this project, we're going to be using the Adirondack alcohol ink cardstock, and it has a gloss finish. And I'll start by pouring some alcohol onto it to give it that slick finish so that we get the marbleized look. So you can use some Q-tips, roll around the alcohol so that it gets all over your card. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but I can tell that it's pretty much filled the area. So then you just start applying your alcohol ink. And I'm using the Adirondack alcohol ink. And just start pouring it in different spots and then roll it around. Then you'll see the colors start blending together and we'll start marbleizing. And I actually like these two colors together, so I'm probably just going to stick with them. And I'll add a little more yellow. You can use as many colors as you want, but of course, the more colors you use, the more dark or blended or muddy it could look, sort of like here in the middle. And once you get it covered to your liking and you're happy with it, then you will simply just let it dry. This is a quick and easy project that is pretty much done. I'll just let it sit and dry just like that. Then you could put it in a picture frame or use it to however you want to display it. It's really pretty, and because it's on a glossy finish, it keeps that glossy look.